The headlamp is among the most important head protection tools that we need to handle tasks safely and effectively. In this video we'll show the 5 best headlamp for work on the market. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. LETOUR 1800 Lumen Rechargeable Headlamp. For those whose work involves braving the wilderness and who need a dazzling light as their ally, the LETOUR LTW608 headlamp will impress. It can shoot out a blinding 8000 lumen light, which can cover a wide angle of as much as 120 degrees and keep running for as long as 5 hours. The headlamp is also adjustable over a range of 150 degrees. There are 3 modes of lighting. The lamp is powered by 3 18,650 rechargeable batteries, which are charged fully, in about 30 minutes, through a built-in USB charging port. Number 2. DEWALT Headlamp. Ever thought about having a lamp that uses a motion sensor? The DEWALT HT81424 does just that, saving you the time you'd otherwise spend finding a button. You have between 50 and 200 lumens of brightness with this product. The runtime ranges from 6.5 to 24 hours. 3 AAA cells come included. Its strap is designed to be resistant to slipping and can be secured on hard hats, making your work all the easier. The product is also durable, capable of withstanding drops from as high as 6.6 feet. It is both water and dust resistant with a rating of IP54. Number 3. Streamlight 61702 Bandit 180 Lumen Rechargeable LED Headlamp. If you're looking for something compact and lightweight, at 1.6 ounces, and dimensions of 2.7 x 0.75 x 1.13 inches, you will find the Streamlight 61702 Bandit more than up for the job. It produces 35 lumens of light for 9.5 hours or 180 lumens for 2 hours and also comes with a strobe mode, which flashes at the highest brightness. The beam is evenly diffused, so it's perfect for close-up work. The polycarbonate body and lens are resistant to an impact of up to 6.6 feet, and it's also wet weather tolerant, with an IPX4 rating. Number 4. ODEAR Super Bright Adjustable Rechargeable Headlamp. The simply designed ODEAR headlamp is a superb choice. The battery case is directly attached to the light without the use of any wires in between. Turned on, it lights up the way ahead as far as 500 yards and can switch between low and high brightness modes. The lamp is also rotatable over 45 degrees, giving you some flexibility with lighting. Powered up by 2 18,650 rechargeable batteries, it can keep running for as long as 12 hours when fully charged. A custom USB cable comes with it, which you directly attach to the lamp. Number 5. Petzl PIXA 3 Pro Headlamp. The Petzl PIXA 3 headlamp is not short on versatility and durability. It features a multi-beam headlamp that can produce a 20 lumen wide beam, a 100 lumen focus beam, and an 80 lumen mixed beam. The lamp lights up a distance as far as 98 yards. There's a reserve mode to save battery power, which produces 10 lumens of light for about 13 hours. A rotatable knob on the side makes it easy to access the headlamp's different modes, even with gloves on. A storage mode prevents accidental turn on.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.